Okay guys, my new exhaust for the Yamaha MT-09 is finally here. That's the WOMET-TECH LV race. So yeah, pretty excited to see what's in the box. Let's start. Quite a big box, as you can see. Have to open. A lot of padding to protect the exhaust. Okay, and here it is. Pretty heavy actually. I was hoping it would be lighter. Yeah, compared to the stock one, it should be 2 kilos lighter. So that's a good improvement. The DB killer is right here, so we'll need to remove this part and get rid of the DB killer, of course, because it just don't belong here, as you may guess. Okay, let's see what else here. Some stickers. Some registration paper. Oh, nice. They even provide this hook that you can pull the springs with. I didn't have one, so that's nice, it will be helpful. That's the carbon fiber protector. Let's check it out quickly. Nice. Looks good. Some manuals and the WOMET-TECH card. That is actually something that I've had in all my exhausts from this brand. I actually take it with me when I ride. I keep it in my pocket, just in case. I don't know if some nice policeman says it's too loud or something like this, I can try to get away with it. Okay, these are all the mounting screws and springs and rubber gaskets and stuff like that. So yeah, everything that you need to mount with the exhaust. These are the header pipes. There are 3 pieces. And this fat thing. I think it looks really great. These welds, they're beautiful, right? This other stuff. And 3 pipes. Okay, I think that's it. I don't see anything else in the box. Pretty good package with hopefully everything needed to mount. So yeah, I can't wait to get this bad boy on the bike and see how it sounds.